right now it's next day. I'm getting ready to buy soup from the woman here. Come on, just fly for some hot in the morning from go. Me eat already now, but knowing me, I'm a foodie, so yeah. We have to get served for that soup here and then I wait on the bus to go away. But the woman here isn't too long. I still want the soup though, so yeah. I hope everybody alright and enjoying the vlog thus far. Almost it's supposed to not kind of belly, but we get the bus please. So may I enjoy the soup? I'll come back to you. I don't care if I don't want the soup come burn me. So yeah. It's like wake up early this morning. Wow, say girl. We're going to take a fog. We're not always a fog though. Just come on for the bus. And I do what's up for the people in the bus. The bus is driver left me. The struggles, eh? The struggles is real, me I tell you. And the time is so hot. But good thing say, the sun cool down a little bit because boy, you know what I made that do. Anyways, me I want to go to work now, so yeah. Go to the tree, man. Yes, you guys, right now I'm having lunch. I'm gonna bring. And I'm here with Samaya. Samaya?
Huh?
Say hi to vloggers.
Hi, vloggers. I mean, who do you call your viewers? What do you call them?
I don't have a name for them. What do you guys would like for me to call you?
You need to find a name.
Yeah, for real though. So I enjoy my food. I have to go back in and work. I'm so cold. Yeah, I must say, I hope you again love eat food, so food is life, yeah? Night shift cool bad. What's your views about night shift? What's your view about night shift?
Alright, so night shifts, we don't get BTO, so that sucks.
Don't. That I volunteer time off, so you can, you know?
Right. The other issue is, as soon as the early morning shift people come off or go home, we get a lot of chats to do. So yeah.
Anyways, and everything works off time, so I can't talk to y'all very long. So talk to y'all when it's going on with time, okay? Bye. Bye. Yeah. Good morning, you guys. Today is the next day. I'm at work. I'm having plant porridge for breakfast. Give this video a thumbs up or comment below if you guys eat plantain porridge or American porridge or peanut porridge, and tell me which porridge you like best. For me, I rather American, and then oh yeah, oats porridge. I love oats porridge. Plantain porridge can't go on. So what y'all think though? Today gonna be a long day. And we're not falling all these things. Wish me could just go back in my own bed. But I have to come on the people that work. Such is life. I'm going to finish a page, I have to go in. But just come feel up on it, you know? Oh boy. I will say, if you guys haven't added me on my social medias, the link and the names are all below. So you guys can hit me up. So I guess I'll talk to y'all later. That will be either my break time or my lunch time. So yeah, so see you guys in the next clip. Later. Yes, you guys, it's time to go home. So I'm going to catch a bus before the bus go in. So I'm going to catch it now. So I'm reaching a bus. I want to talk to them. I leave work. So I'm going to taxi. I'm going to cross the road. So there, if I'm not going to go, I'm cool. Go my ace vlog right now for y'all. Y'all must be waiting. I wonder if I'm going to post no video yet. So I'm going to go home and do that. Drop it. I have to cover on up, you know, before I get wet. I'm not far. But I'm actually rich home still. I'm so dark right now, but anyways, you can't see me, though. Yeah. I'm actually rich home right now far. I'll look at my camera. The struggles I have to go through. So I might talk to you guys. I'm reaching.